Your company was amazing at the time. We had so many questions to ask, and they were all answered by your representative, and we were able to get the design done and have it in a production line and deliver it to us on time. The quality actually was very good because we were able to use it for many times, and the quality is still remain as if like new. So we're pretty happy with the quality. I think the product is so great. The service is very trustworthy. We were able to do after service as well. So I don't hesitate to recommend Cubic Promote to any of other company or my friends.